Now we talk about differentiation and parametric form. Suppose that you have a curve and the curve is defined parametrically. So how to find the gradient at the point without finding the Cartesian product? So you have to know how to differentiate parametric equation, of course. This is the definition of the differentiation. If a curve is given parametrically by equations for x and y in terms of t, then dy dx is equal to dy dt over dx dt. It means that for each equation x and y, you have to differentiate respect to t for the first, and then dy dt just divided by dx dt. This is the proof of the definition. To establish this definition, suppose that the value of t is increased by delta t, then x increases by delta x, and then of course for y by delta y. So you have delta y over delta x is equal to delta y delta t over delta x over delta t. So this will be referred to limit as delta t close to 0. So both delta x and delta y are close to 0. So limit delta x close to 0, delta y over delta x is equal to limit delta t close to 0, delta y over delta x. Because of we will find the differentiate respect to t. So the tricky way is each of this divided by delta t. So limit delta t close to 0, delta y over delta t over delta x over delta t. So we have, based on the properties of limit, we have limit delta t close to 0, delta y over delta t over limit delta t close to 0, delta x over delta t. So this limit is delta y over delta t, and this limit is delta x delta t. So delta x over dx is equal to delta y delta t over dx dy dx is equal to dy dt over dx dt. So this is the proof of the definition. But if you're confusing about the proof, you just skip it. Just see the example. This is the example of the question. Use parametric differentiation to find the gradient at t is equal to 3 on the parabola x is equal to 3 square, y is equal to 2t. Of course, for the first we have to differentiate either x or y respect to t. So dx dt is equal to 2t and dy dt is equal to 2. Of course, dy dx is equal to delta y delta t, dy dt divided by dx dt. So 2 over 2t is equal to 1 over 3. Because of you are asked about the gradient at t is equal to 3, just change t by 3. So the gradient is 1 over 3. And another example is finding the equation. Find the equation of the normal at minus 8,4 to the curve which is given parametrically by x equal to 3 cubed, y is equal to t square. So of course, we have to find the t value for the point minus 8, comma 4 for the first, because our equation is in t terms, yeah, in terms of t. Sorry, minus 8 is equal to t cube, so t will be minus 2, and y is equal to t square, so 4 is equal to t square. Actually we have minus 2 and 2, but for this equation we have got minus 2, so we take minus 2 for the value of t, so we get t is equal to minus 2. And of course you have to find the gradient, so the gradient is dy dx equal to dy dt over dx dt. So for this, dy dt is 2t, and from this equation dx dt is equal to 3t square. So we simplified to 2 over 3t, and because of the value of t is minus 2, so we got 1 minus 1 over 3 for the gradient. But you're asked about the normal the normal uh, the normal equation. So because of the normal the normal line is perpendicular to the tangent, so the gradient of the normal will be 3. So we got the equation y minus 4 is equal to 3 times x plus 8. So the equation of the normal is y is equal to 3x plus 28. So that's all for the differentiation, and I hope you can get it. Thank you.